When I went walking, I saw a sign, and that sign said, "No trespassing." But on the other side, it said nothing. And that side was made for you and me. As I went walking that ribbon of highway, I saw above me that endless skyway. Saw below me that golden valley. This land was made for you and me. I've roamed and rambled, and I've followed my footsteps to the sparkling sands of our diamond deserts. All around me a voice was sounding. This land was made for you and me. When the sun comes shining, then I was strolling, and the wheat fields waving, and the dust clouds rolling. The voice was chanting as the fog was lifting. This land was made for you and me. This land was made for you and me.